Hello, it's another new day, and it's a Sunday. It's a Sunday afternoon. It's about 3 p.m. and I was just looking for my Christmas tree and the decors where I put them. Where? Nimekimbia huko chini kuzitafuta. Yeah. My hair is misbehaving. Anyway, it needs to go. It's a week old. And yeah, I'll have to wash it and see what I'll put next, but most likely gel. Anyway, so as I'm saying, I was just checking on my Christmas decors what I have. I want to put it up now so that at least tukaya Christmas mood kiasi ama ni aje. So let me just show you what I have and then start putting it up. These are some of the decors. There you go. These are some of the decors that I have. The others are here. Oi, please don't fall down. I don't have the energy now. And these ones are old. These big balls, are they called balls? What are they called? They're old. These silver and gold red ones. Za kitambo sana. Za kitambo. Then I have those lights. Then here is the tree. It's not a long tree. It's not a big tree. It's just a small one. So let me just fix this out. And then we see how it looks like. Then I have ribbons that I have. These ribbons and this. Let me see where I will fix everything. Then we see whether we can actually look like Christmas kiasi. to undo this. I've just removed the band that was here because I really want to wash this hair. I'm feeling itchy. Today it's 1 week old, and I just feel like I can't sleep in this today. So I want to get into the shower and clean up my hair, wash it completely. It will dry before I sleep because I can't dry it and I can't go to the salon at this hour because it's late. It's 9 p.m. already. But I have to remove it. I just have to remove this gel out of my head. This is how I decorated my Christmas tree, and this is how simple it will look. That's how I have done it. That's how I've put on the lights. One set of my lights is not working. I'm waiting for my son to come home and fix it, but I already love the outcome because wow, it's lighting so cute, especially when I switch off the lights. It's coming up so cute. This is a couple of days later, like 3 or 4 days, and because now Christmas is here, it's actually the eve of Christmas that I'm at the salon, and I'm at the salon even at night again. Yeah, so I need to look good during this Christmas season. So I'm back with the gel again, but this time around I have an extension that I'm going to fix. I'm already loving how I look. I've already done my eyebrows, as you can see. And yeah, I'm just waiting to dry. I don't like dryers. I don't like heat on my head. So I just asked to be put here for like 15 minutes only. Rest itajikausha before I go back to bed. And voila, I'm done. You can see I'm already looking super good, and I'm ready for Christmas. And it's around, guess what time it is? It is I think 9 p.m. already at this time. Hello and good morning. It's starting to feel like Christmas. It's actually Christmas, so I just wanted to start cooking now. It's 10 a.m. exactly. I'm just waking up. We slept late last night. Let me show you what I'm about to cook. I'm making it very simple because I'm just doing chicken. I marinated this chicken about 3 or 4 days ago, and I know how it will come out. It will be so yummy, so tasty. The marination will have just gone inside so well, and it will taste so good. And then I want to make some salad, cucumber, carrots. I will not mix with tomatoes. I think I will do tomatoes separately so that in case it remains. Yeah, so that's the chicken I'm doing. This is onions. I've just made onions, garlic and ginger, so I just want to slice this and then start cooking. As you can see, chicken already on the jiko, and the aroma in this house, wow, can't wait to have this. And this is how I made my personal carrots. My carrots, I like carrots that are big like this, circular, crunchy. Merry Christmas to you all, and I pray that you have a very blessed Christmas. I don't know why I'm shrubbing. May God fill your cup, may it overflow. May you have the very best Christmas on this day.